First, I just stated they already made their position clear, and the parliaments of Aruba and parliaments of St. Maarten and Holland are still in deliberations of it. What we've decided is that we need some more time, and that by May 20th, we will send in our full report on the questions. And so St. Maarten hasn't made a strong position on it as yet. Some individuals, members of parliament in St. Maarten, I think some in Aruba, have made their own statements on it. But as a cohesive body, we haven't done that as yet. And as we are still in the deliberations. St. Maarten, I can speak for St. Maarten myself. St. Maarten is still waiting on a feedback from the Council of Advice, the Raad van Advies. We're also waiting on feedback from the SED. This was part of the COHO agreement we made internally, where we seek information from all the certain Council of States and also some experts, which we already did. So we're still internally compiling and giving a full statement on where we stand with it in total. And that's where we are for St. Maarten. So in 2 weeks, we will have a firm stance and with questions where we are.